Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how we can manage credit cooperative societies. So how we can create loans, deposits for the customers. So just have a look. From the HR management, I will go to the employee list. Here I have created two employees. So if I click to Shruti, so I have given some access, that is collection is automatically verified, means whatever collection done by Shruti, that will get automatically verified. After that we can give admin permission to that staff and login only on registered device, means whatever device get registered, so the staff will be able to log in only that device. So this feature is also very important. Now I will go to the access control list and from here I will select Shruti. So here I have given some access to Shruti, whichever is important. So after that I will go to the group management and create group. So from here I have created one group, North group, and assigned 4 customer to Shruti. So for example, let's search this customer. So this Sandeep customer, you can see that assigned to Shruti. Now I will give one loan for this customer. So click to the loan, I will go to the personal loan. So for example, let's say 1000, rate of interest 3%, interest with principal, or let's take for 4 months. Now in additional charges, this is the fees and charges automation. So establishment fees I have set 1000. So now I can add, if I want to add the processing fees, so let's say for 100, and I can add from here, and I will add, if I want to add from the add to installments. So if the borrower is not able to pay this amount of fees and charges, so I can add to the installments also. But now I will add just for the without add to installment, and I can select the date. So for let's say 3rd of October, and installment start date I will take, let's say 4th of October. And now just calculate this loan, and I will save this from here. So loan number 3 I have been created. Now let's log in for the that staff. So I will go to the staff login. So you can see this is staff Shruti, and I have given some access, loan collection list all, deposit collection list all. So if I go to the loan collection list, so here you can see that Sandeep, I have created backdated loan. So the due amount is 2800. So from here the staff can receive this amount. If I go to the loan collection list all and the North group, that is assigned to Shruti, and you can see that loan number 3 is due, 2800 is the due amount. So I will go and receive this 2800 from here. So staff can select the cash or bank and just receive this amount from here. So 2800 received. Now I will go to the main account, and if I check to the collection report, daily collection, so if I refresh from here, so you can see Sandeep, we have received 2800 from Sandeep. customer Sandeep and collection done by Shruti. So this type